Hi, this is Chuck from Colton RV. I just want to introduce you to our rep from Entegra. This is David. We're going to do a walk around on the 2026 Centurion.
So our Centurion product is built on the Freightliner Cascadia chassis. This is really the top end of the line of the Freightliner as far as durability, efficiency, and driver, I'd say safety, as well as minimizing driver fatigue. So on the Cascadia chassis, we bring this in with the Detroit Diesel Assurance Package. That gives you adaptive cruise control, lane control, and blind spot monitoring. So some of the advantages of being on the Cascadia chassis, this is a fleet vehicle, so you're going to see these on the road a lot with also full-time drivers as well. You're going to have a two-piece bumper here. Why would you have a two-piece bumper? Well, if you have a driver that damages one bumper, you don't have to replace the whole thing. Some nice features about the drivability of this coach. These are LED headlights. If you've ever driven with LED headlights, you have great visibility. These are heated internally, so you don't have issues with snow or ice building up on these. And also because of the cone and the way the beam is structured, you don't have any more need for fog lamps, although they can be put in there should you need to. So these LED lights are fantastic. We still at Entegra Coach spec these with both sets of mirrors. Both of these mirrors are going to be heated for winter use. And the nice thing about the Freightliner Cascadia chassis is that if the consumer wants to, if they're handy and they want to do their own maintenance, look how easy this hood is to open, right? Nice soft touch landing there, like the old soft touch cassette tapes, which tells you how old I am. But a lot of easy maintenance that you can get to here, anywhere from your air dryers, window washer fluid, to a jump start, all easy to get to. And then you can see the massive size of the chassis and the suspension components. Behind here, you do have tow hooks, but those are hidden behind the bumper, so you can get to them if needed. Hopefully, you'll never have to use those. As we work our way down the coach, if you do see this module here, this is part of the Detroit Driver Assurance that gives you that blind spot monitoring under about, roughly 15 miles per hour. If you're taking a right-hand turn and there is something in your blind spot, the brakes will automatically engage for the driver. These covers here on the doors, this plastic wrap, this is something we provide from the factory because we have a chrome panel here all across the coach that gives it a lot brighter look that matches up with these chrome door handles. Inside the coach here, you're going to see that we use a carpet fiber here. That carpet's a fairly familiar carpet. That's something that at Entegra Coach we've tested before. We tested for soil resistance. We tested for durability. It's actually a very common trunk fiber carpet. We know that other manufacturers have tested it, other automobile manufacturers, but we'll test it in-house as well to make sure it's got soil resistance and high tear resistance and your cargo stays in place. So that's one of the major reasons we've used that material for a very long time. Here you have a 12-volt fridge freezer, and I say fridge freezer because you can make either side a fridge or either side a freezer, and you can control either compartment that slides nicely underneath you. As we work our way down the coach, you're going to see here these compartments. That's where you're going to get to your lanyards to expel the air tanks for your braking system. You want to do that before every single trip. There's going to be manual lanyards in there that you'll pull. Now, we ship this with an extra set of tiles. Some of you may wonder, why do we ship with an extra set of tiles? If you look at the bracing here underneath the coach, you're not going to have issues with the chassis flexing, and you're not going to have issues with cracked tiles with the unit going down the road. But should someone drop a coffee pot or a wrench on the tile on the inside, we have tile here that you can replace it. The reason we ship it with the coach is should you want to wait and oil tile or order tile a year from now, the die lots may not match up with that because of the way tile manufacturers make the tile. So we send this with extra tile for your convenience. Back here you have some more freshwater tanks, some more storage area here. This is a heated storage bay as well. That's going to be part of the AquaHot hydronic heating. On this particular floor plan, you have a 20,000 pound hitch. Should you get the larger Centurion, you're going to have a 30,000 pound hitch, and you're going to have air here if you have a cargo trailer that has air brakes. As we continue to work our way around the coach, you have an Onan 8,000 watts diesel generator. And this is your wet bay here, and this is really easy access to get to. This panel is basically two tabs you're going to undo, and you can move this panel back to you. That gives you access to your Sanacon macerator system. Some people like to use these because it basically chews up your black tank, but then you can also terminate it with a traditional garden hose, and you can run it 40 feet uphill if you don't have easy access to a sewer system. However, should you want to use your traditional sewer system, you're going to bypass this with a valve and apply a regular sewer hose if you want to. We do have a whole house water filtration system. This unit has been winterized. All of our motorhomes are sent from the factory fully winterized for your convenience. So that's why you're not seeing a filter already installed in this. But it does have whole house water filtration, as well as for your fresh water that is on a power wheel as well for your convenience. You're going to have an AquaHot 250D. That's a hydronic hot water and heating system. Two advantages of that. Basically, as long as you have diesel, you're going to be able to heat your water. So that's on demand, tankless hot water. Then also the hydronic heating allows you to heat the coach on the inside using basically a radiator system. You're going to circulate propylene glycol to radiators with small fans behind them. The advantage being is that you're going to take the air that's already in the coach and heat it up versus bringing in outside air, heating it up with a 60,000 BTU furnace, potentially drying out the air or bringing in contaminants from the outside, especially if some people have asthma or allergies. So you're actually using the air that's inside the coach to heat it. That's one of the great advantages of using AquaHot for hydronic heating. As you move up here, this one was optioned with the Starlink. So if you've got satellite internet access all ready to go, that is an option from the factory. This dealership brought it in with the Starlink. And then here you're going to have some of your electronic components, your deep cycle AGM batteries. And you can see here, a lot of the fuses and a lot of the hookups very neatly, very well labeled, very organized for consumer maintenance. Let's head on inside the coach. I love to show off the step as we enter the coach. Nice and convenient for your consumers. As you enter the coach, you're going to be stepping on hand-laid porcelain tile. I definitely like to make a point about the porcelain tile because that's something that we do uniquely at Entegra Coach. So what I mean by that is that when we lay the floor here and we build the wood floor and then we set the cabinetry to the floor. So this tile, for example, this is a hand-cut tile. Most other competitors are going to tile the entire floor at one time, then set their cabinetry on top of the tile. We don't do it that way in Entegra Coach. We set the cabinetry to the wood floor and tile to it. That way there's no movement between the cabinetry and the tile, no substrate, making for a quieter ride for long-term enjoyment. As we come into the coach here, if you want to close the step, it's easy to walk in, off, and it supports all your weight. Clearly, I'm only 80 pounds, so it supports all my weight, maybe a little more than 80, add a decimal point to that, but you can bring that back and forth really easily. I owe everyone an apology. There's one major feature that I forgot in this motorhome, which is a 2-year warranty. Most of our competitors only do a 1-year warranty. There's a couple advantages to a 2-year warranty, both for the consumers and for Entegra Coach. Number one, you have 2 full camping seasons to explore this unit and go wherever you want to go. And if anything comes up, we've got you covered for 2 years. For example, we're using here a GE refrigerator. If you buy this GE refrigerator, same exact model at a Best Buy or a Menards, that's a Midwestern store, or a Lowe's, you're gonna have a 1-year warranty. Because you bought it with an Entegra Coach, it's going to have a 2-year warranty. All these components will have a 2-year warranty, solar and everything else. The other advantage of that, as a manufacturer, we get twice the amount of warranty data versus our competition. So when we find that X brand of component doesn't perform for 6 months, only performs for 8 months, guess what? There's a high probability we won't be using that component in future builds. That 2-year warranty should really give you some peace of mind, and I should have said that from the very first beginning of the part of this introduction. But we talked about the porcelain tile. I want to talk a little bit more about that. That is an electric grid heat on that tile. It wasn't too long ago we did a factory test on the tile, heated it up overnight, and we got the inside of the coach over 90 degrees just based on the tile. But you also have a lot of creature comforts inside this motorhome as well. You've got accent lighting is here, a dishwasher to make cleaning up in the evenings or mornings much easier as well. This is a full-size microwave convection oven. Big door, double door refrigerator, and a really simple latch here to lock it should you need to go down the road. So this latch here is a nice travel latch so that when you're going down the road, that door doesn't open when you travel. In the Centurion, we are using all solid hardwood cabinetry and solid hardwood doors. Very easy to tell. Just take an opportunity to feel this door as you open it to realize the solid hardwoods in this coach. This is all a soft touch ceiling. All the components, almost 90% of the components can be controlled by this panel here. And the nice thing is this panel can be replicated on a cell phone as well. So if we go to the inside of this coach here, if you go to the lighting, for example, you can turn on off all your lights. Really easy from one touch. And one thing I also noticed here is that the use of scenes. So let's say at night, hey, we want to watch a movie. Let's program a movie scenes where just the midship lights are at 20%. You can pre-program those scenes. I can tell you a lot of new houses don't have the technology that this Centurion has in here. This unit's a bath and a half. We had talked about the hydronic heating and the radiators. That's what this is here. So you're going to have like small fins with the propylene glycol behind it and 2 small fans providing the heat. Really nice and quiet application. So this is a bath and a half. Here in the shower, you have a nice walk-in shower. You have a bench there where you can sit. That'll hold 350 pounds. So I'm pretty well covered since I'm only 120. Chuck, is there anything I've missed on this coach I should point out?
No, it's absolutely beautiful. I love the cabinetry and the look. So this only has a seamless floor over here, I saw.
Oh yeah, no carpet in the floor, no carpets in the slide out unless you like vacuuming. We don't think you do. So this is a flush floor that goes out.
That is nice.
Very easy to override our slide out systems should you run into an issue, which we don't think you do. We're part of a Jayco family of company. Under the Jayco brand, we'll build about 30,000 plus units a year. So we have to make sure our slide outs perform. So if there's a slide out mechanism that performs anywhere from travel trailers to fifth wheels to Centurions, we'll use it. If it doesn't perform, we won't use it. Why? Because we have to fulfill that 2-year warranty.
This also is a beautiful cockpit too. They must have had a great design in this.
Thank you for mentioning that.
Seats.
Full air ride seats up and down. So when this is aired up, you can have it as stiff or as soft as you want to float to really bring out that ride and handling in this motorhome. And makes it a great ride, especially if you're going to spend a lot of long-term driving on this unit. So come by Colton RV, check out the Centurion on the Cascadia chassis by Freightliner with a 2-year warranty, and talk to some of the fine folks like Chuck here at Colton RV. Thanks for your time.
Hey, thank you.